Alibaba Cloud is APAC's #1 cloud service provider, supporting you with cloud computing, data intelligence, mobile collaboration, and industry intelligence. We digitalize retail because we leverage our vast user understanding to create a seamless user experience. We digitalize finance because people demand even safer and more secure services. We digitalize education because today's classroom is in a global living room. We digitalize manufacturing, logistics, media, gaming, and more. For peace of mind for you and your customers. And because every company needs innovation. The world has turned a corner, and the digital world has fully begun. Alibaba Cloud helps to be your partner in accelerating your business. Ready, set, digitalize.
Kopi Kenangan, we have grown from a small standalone coffee shop with a grab-and-go concept to over 400 stores across Indonesia today. We have this one cup, one customer mentality. As our business continue to grow, we realize that we need a solution that can allow Kopi Kenangan to differentiate itself and bring the best of our brick-and-mortar cafe experience online. That is why Alibaba Cloud came to mind, because we needed to digitalize and grow faster. This includes consolidating online transaction and processing data for intelligence to help streamline operations. Since the government regulation mandate that we need a local data center, Alibaba Cloud definitely is the cloud solution that has a strong local data center with expertise in Indonesia. With Alibaba Cloud, we are moving up the stack to focus on delivering more value to our customers.
Our journey with Alibaba Cloud starting in January 2020, where we launched our new retail management system covering end-to-end process, from online to offline, and also from pickup and delivery. With a scalable and reliable cloud infrastructure from Alibaba Cloud, we can now provide seamless and agile customer experience even during our peak hours. Serving time has been reduced to a maximum 30 minutes. Now, our customer can enjoy their coffee without waiting for long queue in the store. During Harmanas, our third year anniversary in August 2020, our order have increased 20-fold and we hit the peak of 1800 transactions per second. However, processing time and app function were not affected at all. We are even able to reduce waiting time for the customer. We are able to scale up resource according to the traffic volume that time and operate more efficiently. This is all thanks to the support of Alibaba Cloud Container for Kubernetes. The cost saving and the agility we have gained from ACK and microservice architecture are valuable as we continue to operate during COVID-19 and also in the future. We can now speed up our order processing time and handle large database transactions with little or no replication lag. This is achieved with Alibaba Cloud PolarDB, which runs at 6 times the speed of standard MySQL database. In this challenging time, making smart decisions and managing data efficiently is very crucial. That is when data warehouse fit in perfectly. We built our data warehouse on Alibaba Cloud Analytic DB for PostgreSQL and DataWorks. The data warehouse has become our main source of information for report generation, for analysis, presentation, and also our dashboard. So far, we have been impressed by Alibaba Cloud's agility and flexibility. Not only they provide great real-time support, which is very fast, they also up to date on the technological innovation that cater the requirement for Indonesian market. In fact, some of their product and feature were launched to suit our specific needs.
So far, our focus has always been on offline to online migration. We hope to eventually look at how intelligence and data can further boost efficiency, customer experience, and product quality. We also plan to explore digital assistants, AI, chatbots, and conversational commerce in the near future. Customer really value shopping as an experience, not just as a transaction. It's not only about speed and convenience. The whole point is making technology does not feel like technology. We believe that Alibaba Cloud can be the reliable partner for us to reach that goal in the future. Since coffee is not just about science, it's about personal connection too. Our partnership with Alibaba has been nothing but great technology and great innovation, along with that important human touch. We want to keep working together, hand in hand, towards that goal in the medium and long-term future.
Dana is a leading digital wallet provider in Indonesia. We are a platform that connects consumers, merchants, banks, and financial institutions to provide services like money transfer, bill payments, as well as payment for transactions that are online and offline. For about 2 years in operation, we've been serving more than 40 million users and 200,000 merchants. We serve about 3 million transactions per day. We need a system and infrastructure that can deliver that kind of scalability. For some workloads, due to regulations, we have to run on-prem. However, for some other workloads where we also need to scale, we cannot really rely on an on-prem environment. We need to go to the cloud to be able to really scale out. Alibaba Cloud came to mind not just because of their expertise, but they also have a presence in Indonesia that is very suitable for our solution to deliver to our customers.
We start playing with Alibaba Cloud when we deploy our new data viz tools. After we get more experience and familiar with the UI, we start migrating our satellite application. Since then, we explore more features and we deliver more services and give better values to our customer as well as merchant. Dana loyalty programs was created for the customers. Every time the customers do a transaction, they will earn some points. Instead of providing a physical card, we store virtually in our application. By doing that, we're improving our user experience. Compliance, reliability, scalability was very important for loyalty and merchant portal. Our users and merchants are growing rapidly. By leveraging cloud computing, our team can focus on developing a new system, a new features, rather than tinkering the infrastructures and the complexity within. Cloud computing is especially cost-efficient and operationally effective during promotional campaign. By using Alibaba Cloud Container for Kubernetes, we can easily auto-scale resources and support large traffic volumes. Data analytics is also vital to Dana's business intelligence. Powered by Max Compute and DataWorks, our merchant portals provide an intuitive dashboard so merchants can access their specific analytics insights whenever they need it. The ability to now process large amount of data from different sources simultaneously offers Dana a host of new business possibilities at a greatly reduced development time. In the financial industry, security is always a crucial factor for us and the basis of gaining people's trust when it comes to cashless transactions. To ensure that part, we are using Alibaba WAF, Anti-DDoS, and Security Center. We can reinforce security using the latest technologies without the hassle of managing them in-house. Cloud security is the most cost-effective way to identify potential security threats and ensure convenience and peace of mind for our customers.
2020 has been an exciting year for us. We've shipped a lot of features, and some of those are Dana Food and Easy Eats that runs primarily on Ali Cloud. We could deliver that in Ali Cloud within just weeks. Our vision for the future is to develop financial services on top of the existing payment services infrastructure. And to help building the cashless society of Indonesia, we are so excited that we are going to continue working closely with Alibaba Cloud to help us get there and deliver all these services to hundreds of millions of Indonesians.
MNC Media is the largest media companies in Southeast Asia. We have platforms like free-to-air TV, pay TV, digital, but also we have the largest content business in which we create our own content. And last but not least is the over-the-top side of the business, which we call Vision Plus. One of the digital transformations that we've done on the media side is building an RCTI Plus platform. RCTI Plus is actually a super app, consists of 5 products built into one platform. First, we have video on demand. Second one is we have a news aggregator. And third part is audio aggregator. We also have UGC, user-generated content. Number 5, last but not least, is game aggregator or game marketplace. Our user has grown quite dramatically, even though the platform was only set up in August 2019. As of today, we've reached out almost 14 to 15 million monthly active users in RCTI Plus. Because video is such a complex platform, in order to deliver this, we have to be able to look at performance end to end. The challenge for a platform like RCTI Plus in the beginning is how do we deliver seamless experience for our users in any given network situations, whether they use Wi-Fi or they use 4G or use 3G. We need to find the best possible content delivery network architecture in which we can deliver our content despite the low bandwidth of the users. And second part is how do we deal with concurrency, concurrent traffic coming in at the same time. This is a digital business. The uptime is extremely important for the OTT platform. We need to make sure that the cloud partner that we deal with help us to deliver the best possible uptime performance.
We needed a consultative partner who understands our entire OTT ecosystems and provide the right integration and solutions to capitalize on what public cloud has to offer. Security, proximity to internet and ISP exchange, robust network connectivity, and seamless content delivery.
Alibaba Cloud comes to mind because of the flexibility of the services. And second, obviously, we like some of the key technology features.
From testing and development to production, RCTI Plus is an application that was built and now operating entirely on Alibaba Cloud. Alibaba Cloud's ready-to-use infrastructures allows my developer to access and reuse existing components like caching services, APIs, data virtualizations, rules, and workflow engines, which dramatically accelerated our product release pace. This is the kind of efficiency and scalability that cloud computing brings to us. We need minimum latency so viewers can enjoy an optimal streaming experience. We had to manage concurrency and accessing applications and absorb large database at single instance, while also making sure our compute power and APIs could cope with sudden spike in traffic. Incorporating Apsara Live into CDN services has been instrumental in the live streaming success of large-scale events like Indonesian Idol 2020, which was broadcasted and provided smooth viewing experience to more than 20,000 concurrent viewers. With Alibaba Cloud, we are now able to auto-scale in real time and deliver quality programming at any capacity.
In the future, MNC will continue to adopt our cloud strategy. Cloud becomes a core of our technology strategy. The cloud journey will continue to our other platforms as well, so such as Spin, for example. Spin is our e-money, e-wallet, digital remittance platform. So we're excited to partner with Alibaba to provide the best possible OTT experience to our user in Indonesia, and we'll continue to expand even more. That's the key positive step that we see, and we hope that Alibaba will continue to become a key partner in our digital transformation. And the sky is the limit. MNC Alibaba Cloud, spark innovation, unlock possibilities.